Hello, it is Russell Climbers, and we have Shaw and Dee. They are New York light painters. I'm here in New York City for the week, and so we're gonna do some light painting because, duh, it's what we do. Am I right?
Yeah. That's what we do.
Okay, so here we go.
Yeah, we can do it. Okay, I have this one. So one of you guys can use like this one of these.
How does that turn out? Okay, everybody ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. One round!
I'm gonna spiral. Freaking huge wings. I can't use words today. It's fine. So we were like, I was trying to use a tube because it's what I like to use, but the freaking tube would break and when I would try to go high. So I was talking with Jeanette and I'm like, hey, what can we do? And then we were like, yo, let's use the 3-meter stick for the Insta360 thing. So then this is probably gonna fail miserably. That's okay. We're like, huzzah! It's so loud! See? You get the idea, it's fine. It doesn't matter, you get it.
amazing to meet both of these cool cats. I learned so much, and just like watching them work because they're fantastic. So,
Awesome.
We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.